Good morning, children. I hope you are all safe and fine. In this video, we are going to see 6th Standard English Term 2, Unit 2, Trip to Ooty, Section 2. Already we have seen Section 1 in last class. So just recap in that Section 1. Yes. So in that Section 1, Marilyn was a girl. She was writing a letter to her friend Malli about her trip to Ooty. Trip to Ooty, Section 2, we are going to see now. Before getting to the Section 2, let us learn glossary in this section. Yes, glossary, clinging, fitting closely to the body, scream, cry in a high pitch, snatch, quickly seize someone in a rude or eager way, entranced, filled someone with wonder and delight, holding their entire attention, thud, a dull sound as that of heavy object striking a solid surface. So then we can see Section 2. Read this section of the letter of your own. Underline the sentences that tell you about the scenes outside. Describe it to the class. So we can see paragraph wise. Okay. The scene outside was beautiful with the purple blue mountains forming a lovely backdrop to the green fields and tea estates. Monkeys were racing all along the tracks, some were in groups and some had babies clinging onto them. So I am going to explain in first paragraph. Okay. After the train was started, Marilyn and her friends, they were looking outside. The scene was very beautiful with the purple blue mountains and forming a lovely backdrop to the green fields and tea estates. Yes, Ooty means we can remember tea estates only, isn't it? Yes. And many monkeys were racing along with the tracks, and some were in groups and some were holding their babies. Clinging means here fitting closely to the body. And the next paragraph, look, Fatima doesn't that monkey look cute holding on to its mother's stomach? I pointed excitedly. The monkeys were really bold. One of them tried to snatch a banana that a girl had in her hand, and she leaned out of the window to look at the train curving behind on the track. She let out a scream and moved back. Now it was Muthu's turn to snigger. So Marilyn asked Fatima to look out of the cute monkey which is holding its mother's stomach. Really, monkeys were very bold. One of the monkeys tried to snatch a banana from a girl. As she looked out the window to look at the train curving behind on the track. Here snatch means quickly grab. The girl screamed. Screamed means cry in a high pitch, then moved back to her place. Now it was Muthu's turn to snigger. When ma'am was scolding to Muthu, all the girls were sniggered. Now Muthu sniggered at the girls. And the third paragraph, I looked entranced at the misty clouds which covered the mountains and moved in and out of the forest. It looked just like a dream sequence in a movie. Fatima pointed to a bubbling stream with a small waterfall. Yes, in this third paragraph, Marilyn was entranced. Entranced means already we have seen, filled with wonder and happiness by seeing the mountain which covered with misty clouds and moved in and out of the forest. It's looking like a dream sequence in a movie. Then Fatima pointed to a bubbling stream with a small waterfall. They are enjoying the sceneries. Then, look, Marilyn, can you see that bird there? It's such a pretty blue and has such a lovely crown, she said. Just then the train stopped suddenly with a thud. Oh, what happened? Asked a boy. Hey, why has the train stopped? Shouted another passenger. See, Fatima and Marilyn were looking at the window. Fatima said to Marilyn, can you see the bird there? It's such blue and so pretty, has such lovely crown. Suddenly the train stopped with a thud. That means a dull sound as that of a heavy object striking a solid surface. Suddenly, the train stopped means what we will do? We will ask a question, isn't it? Yes. So like that the boy asked, what happened? Another passenger in the train shouted, hey, why the train stopped? But nothing could stop Muthu. He and his friends were the first to stop to see what had happened. Geeta madam tried to stop the children running out, but they were too excited and begged to be allowed to go out. In the end of the whole compartment stepped out. And what a sight greeted their eyes. So in this last paragraph, Muthu eagerly to see what had happened. Nothing could stop Muthu. He and his friends were to step out from the compartments. But Geeta madam tried to stop him, but all the children were very excited and begged to be allowed to go out. In the end, whole compartment stepped out, and what a sight greeted their eyes. See in the next video what had happened there. Now let us see about a toy train. Yes. So a toy train, the Nilgiri Mountain Railway was built by the British in 1908. Mountain train is another showcase of heritage of India. This rail connects Udagamandalam and Mettupalayam. The journey is the most picturesque. The train ride that mesmerizes travelers of all age groups. This train travelled through 208 serpentine curves, 16 tunnels and 250 bridges, waterfall hood, cliff edges and tea estates covering a distance of 26 kilometers. The uphill journey takes almost 4 hours. In the year 2005, UNESCO declared the Nilgiri Mountain Railway as an extension of the world. Heritage site Darjeeling Himalayan Railway. Vintage steam locomotive is still retained as an excellent attraction to this train. So, children, whenever you get chance, travel by the toy train and utilize it. Okay, children? Yes. Next section, we will continue in the next class. Okay, children? Yes. Thank you.